remember when I told you that it's not possible to make a punch card for the curly icord? Well, I realized that it can be done by changing some of the settings on the machine. Nobody gave me an idea of how to make it, so I assume you didn't know that either. As always, you can find the instructions and the punch card in the description. Rotate the rocking handle to its lowest position, raise 2 needles to the left and 2 to the right of the center. Put the first and the third needles out of working position, then set the front lock to N and the stitch size to 1. Set the back lock to GX. Insert the black strippers and take the main yarn. I'm using 3 strands of acrylic yarn. Knit 1 row and drop the front bed. Hook a 7-shaped weight hanger in the middle and attach a weight to it. Be careful because it may pull the yarn and fall. Now raise the rest of the needles. On the front lock, increase the stitch size to 4 and knit 1 row. Clear the row counter, set the machine to HX and set the stitch size to the lowest possible. Attach the card reader to the center of the front bed. Raise 4 pushers under the working needles on the front bed. Press the black lever on the card reader and insert the card until you hear a click. You must see 0 in the viewfinder and the sensing feelers must be arranged for the first row of the card. Make sure the left edge spring is on the leftmost working needle and push the trip cam for the row counter to the left as far as it can go. Slide the deco device, attach it to the lock and set it to 2. Now knit until you reach the desired length. The HX setting is for tubular slip stitch, so it will give us the slip row. If you are not able to connect the punch card in a loop, you have to stop knitting when you see the letter R in the viewfinder. The lock must be on the left side of the machine. Now press and hold the black lever and roll back the card. You have to see 0 in the viewfinder. Then continue knitting until you reach the desired length of the cord. I will stop knitting after the row where all 4 needles have been knitting. Now take the yarn from the lock and cut it. Thread it in the double-eye bodkin tool, remove the weight and sew off the stitches from right to left. After removing the cord from the machine, give it some time to curl up. The weight may have stretched the yarn or you have been using too thin yarn. Remove the weight hanger and pull the cast-on tail to hide the loop. And your curly icord is ready. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.